Senior ministers in Maharashtra are hinting at a complete lockdown in the state. The Maharashtra government is likely to announce a total lockdown, stringent lockdown measures in a few hours from now. Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope told journalists just a short while back that the Chief Minister has been advised by cabinet ministers. It is his decision ultimately, but a lockdown is likely to be announced soon. Maharashtra government says there is a massive shortage of oxygen in the state and COVID cases are rising. There may be no alternative but to a lockdown. Let's quickly listen in to Rajesh Tope, Maharashtra Health Minister, and to Aslam Sheikh, Senior Cabinet Minister in the state.
सीरियस लॉकडाउन की ज़रूरत है और सीरियस लॉकडाउन का मतलब है जिस तरह से पहले सर्ज में लॉकडाउन था उस टाइप का लॉकडाउन चाहिए। ये कल रात को 8 बजे के बाद लॉकडाउन के बारे में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने निर्णय लिया है, लेकिन उसकी घोषणा वे स्वयं करेंगे और उसके बारे में वे स्वयं उसके बारे में निर्णय लेंगे। मंत्रिमंडल ने उनके ऊपर पूरा सौंपा है, लेकिन मंत्रिमंडल ने एकजुट होकर एक ही मांग की है कि लॉकडाउन बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली होना चाहिए।
जिस तरीके से आज मंत्रिमंडल में बहुत चर्चा हुई और उस चर्चा में महाराष्ट्र की परिस्थिति को ध्यान में रखते हुए जिस तरीके से महाराष्ट्र में ऑक्सीजन की कमी है और महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने जो है केंद्र सरकार से ऑक्सीजन की मांगनी की है और उसके हिसाब से वो दे भी रहे, लेकिन वो कहीं ना कहीं पूरी नहीं हो रही है और आने वाले दिनों में महाराष्ट्र में ऑक्सीजन की बहुत कमी हो सकती है। तो वो सारी चीजों को ध्यान में रख के महाराष्ट्र जो है वो पूरे लॉकडाउन की तरफ जा रहा है।
So the situation in Maharashtra remains extremely grim, and as you heard Aslam Sheikh there, Maharashtra Cabinet Minister, perhaps the worst is yet to come. आने वाले दिनों की स्थिति, he's talking about days ahead, and I quickly want to bring in India Today's Pankaj Upadhyay for more on the story, and Pankaj tracking developments at various hospitals in Maharashtra. So Pankaj, one, there is a shortage of oxygen that we know, but is the worst yet to come? Are doctors predicting a big surge in COVID cases despite the lockdown? Is that why they're recommending more stringent measures, Pankaj?
Gaurav, as far as the situation in the financial capital Mumbai is concerned, what we have seen is the cases seems to have stabilized between 8,000 to 10,000, but the death count is still high. Medical fraternity is predicting that in the days to come, the cases in Mumbai might go down. But in the condition in rest of Maharashtra continues to remain very, very critical. And that is the reason why Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope said that in the days to come, the manner in which the cases are rising, there is going to be even more pressure on the state's health infrastructure. Remdesivir injections, there is tremendous shortage. We know there is shortage of oxygen as well. There is shortage of the beds as well because additional facilities are being created. Take for example Mumbai, 3 more jumbo centers are coming in. Each jumbo center is going to have a bed capacity of 2,000 each, but that's even going to take 14 to 15 days. So what is the immediate plan? Now, earlier in the day, FDA minister said that the state is running deficit of 20,000 remdesivir injections. So there is tremendous crisis. There is tremendous pressure on the health infrastructure as well. So not to alarm anybody, now the government has said that the time in fact has really come, that they really need to be prepared. And for that, taking into account everything that's prevailing, the conditions prevailing right now, it has become imminent that a strict lockdown needs to be imposed. In fact, the public health minister said that till now they were avoiding the usage of the word strict full lockdown. But now, seeing the present conditions, the strict full lockdown in the state of Maharashtra is imminent now. And Aslam Sheikh, the Guardian Minister of Mumbai City, went to the extent of saying that in a few hours from now, perhaps the entire guidelines, details, nitty-gritties will be out, and that too by the Chief Minister of the state.
Give us details from what your sources are telling you, from the restrictions that are in place currently. It started with curbs on the weekend, then enhancing those curbs. From the current situation to this strict lockdown, serious lockdown, as Rajesh Tope, the health minister, mentioned the word strict lockdown. What's the difference?
Now, Gaurav, already we are seeing that it's section 144 in place, which means not more than 5 people can gather. There is also the night curfew that has been imposed. But take for example the financial capital Mumbai. In spite of the strict lockdown measures that have been put into place, in spite of the strict restrictions that have been put into place, every day be in places like Dadar, Borivali,
Okay,
we see people
stay with me.